Hello, in this video I'm going to explain why you cannot fix driving anxiety by driving. You know, people often find me online and they say, wow, I can't believe I found someone who's both a professional driving instructor and an advanced hypnotherapist. I've got to book some lessons with you. And I'll say, no. Why? Because as I've said many times before, driving has nothing to do with driving anxiety. Your driving is the symptom. It's how another problem in your life is showing itself. You are completely wasting your time focusing on the driving. There are many driving instructors out there who say that they're anxiety specialists and they can help people more than anyone else because they're really patient and they're really calm and they know how to teach people with anxiety. They are talking rubbish. It has nothing to do with driving. They are often just driving instructors. They have no training whatsoever in the mind, in psychology, in how things work. They just don't understand it. But I do. So you see, I'm not being rude when I say to people, no, I'm not going to give you driving lessons. It's because I want to help you. The way I do it is I sit on my sofa at home and I just talk to people online in a video call. And I've worked with people all over the world. I've worked with people in America, Australia, Poland, Taiwan, and within 1 or 2 hours, normally, the problem has gone. And that's how you get rid of it, because I understand exactly how to find the problem and fix it. And normally, within the first 3 to 5 sentences that people say to me, I already know what the problem is, and I already know how to start fixing it. You will not get rid of the fear of driving by just driving. All you're doing is covering up the symptoms, hiding them, and they'll come back to bite you even worse later. Think of it like if you've got a cold and you take a nasal spray and you take some pills. That won't get rid of it, it will just mask the symptoms. Don't mask the symptoms. Get to the real cause and fix it by contacting me, and within an hour or two, normally, although it can take longer, your problem will be gone. There's a link on my profile to my website where you can book a free consultation call and we'll have a chat for about half an hour and I'll already have a good idea what the problem is, and then you'll be able to get back driving just the way you want to.